This is Pandri. Grain, rice flour. Oh, you want me to turn? You want me to turn?
Yeah, what turn? You ready?
Yes. You have to toast your rice.
Yeah, patch with this rice.
Okay.
Black pepper
Mm-hmm.
and aniseed. Grind one.
Patching is the equivalent to toasting.
So you toast some.
Yeah.
Scrape it out so everything cooks. Let me see.
Oh.
Look. When you turn,
Oh, you want to press it?
yes,
Oh.
then you get to more green like. Now you get sugar and cook it. But your pots, toast, you will throw coconut, like you sing with them a little bit, and then when it cold up, then you throw sugar. Look. When you're done this thing, it's so quick.
The coconut. You want to press though?
No. Nice color. This one also too nice.
Favorite parsan? The Pandri.
You like pea?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They look good.
Sugar.
Remember, you have to wait till we cool down.
Wow, you get back to little more light color, right?
Mm-hmm. So all of this is not really hard to make.
But when you make enough,
Then harder.
yeah.
This is Pandri.